Yesterday, Deb and I decided to run into town, and boy, we come upon a bad accident here. But first, let's roll that intro. Came upon this, and it was one of those big Spancrete prefab beams. I don't know if somebody hit it and it rolled it over off the truck, or one of the pre-stressed cables broke. Then we came back and we seen these little fellers sitting here on the ledge, and this guy. And then it got stormy, and today I had a chance during all this wind and get the drone in the air and get some footage finally. This has been miserable out here the last couple days. We've had some really high winds, hail, 65 miles an hour, rain. It was like a deluge. I'm telling you, I think we got 4 inches in an hour. But this is some of the Badlands out here. We're on the rim on a BLM area camping with some friends of ours, and just sit back and enjoy the beauty that is out here. As I was flying around here, these birds were trying to attack my drone. Every once in a while, you'll see one flying. There's one right there flying by me. I'm kind of looking for some more of those mountain goats, but I haven't seen any on this flight here yet. But, oh, there's Martha and Robert. Hi, guys. But we're going to fly way down around the other end, see if we can find some of those mountain goats and whatever else we can find down there in the crevices. Thank you for watching, folks. We appreciate it.